Good afternoon, folks. Reporting live from the Keystone State. Welcome back. Headed today towards Whitetail Ski Resort, located in Mercersburg, Pennsylvania. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're working with 935 feet of vertical, 23 total trails there at the resort, 21 are open, so pretty decent coverage compared to last season. I'm actually going to be trying snowboarding for the first time, but don't worry, we're going to be getting on the skis later for a little bit of night skiing action. I'm always first one here. You know, maybe I slept in a little bit today. I'm getting a little tired, touring around. Headed today with a beginner skier, so I figured why not just ratchet into snowboard. Appreciate you guys tuning in this season. Got a few surprises headed our way. Maybe they're not taking place in the mid-Atlantic, but looking forward to getting on the hill today here at Whitetail, getting some turns in, and let's get ripping.
I just need one night where it just feels right. The stars all align. We do what we like. I just need one night where it just feels right. The stars all align. I just need one night. I just need one night.
Snowboarding?
Yep.
Snowboarding?
Yeah. No.
I just need one night where it just feels right. The stars all align. I just need one night. I just need.
Alright, y'all. Going snowboarding.
I just need